Today, we will show you the installation video of ABD Meter Color Assessment Cabinet. First, the color assessment cabinet consists of 5 parts. This is the upper cover of the cabinet. This is one of the side panel. This is another side panel. This is the back plate. There are 3 nut columns on the back plate. The last one is base plate. The first step is to take out the base plate. This side is the bottom of the base plate. This is the front side of the base plate. There is a screw hole at this position on the base plate. The side of the screw hole is the back of the color assessment cabinet. The second step is to take out one of the side panels. This is the outside of the side panel. Another side is the inner of the side panel. The side with the screw hole is the back of the machine. Then buckle the base plate inside the side panel. After tightening, install the 2 screws on the side panel. The third step is to take out another side panel. This is the outside of the side panel. Another side is the inner of the side panel. The side with screw hole is the back of the machine. Then buckle the base plate inside the side panel. After tightening, install the 2 screws on the side panel. The fourth step is to take out the back plate. The side with 3 nut columns is the back of the plate, and also this is the inner side of the plate. Snap the back plate between the 2 side panels. After tightening, install 3 screws on the back side of this plate. The last step is to take out the up cover. Buckle the up cover on the base of the color assessment cabinet. After tightening, install the corresponding screws. The installation is finished now. The power socket is behind the cabinet. After plugging the power cord, the screen lights up, indicating that the machine can be used